Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we have Audi Q7 parts that we're looking at. This is in particular the main screen of the MMI system that was sent to us. The screen doesn't work, so let me just, this is the whole mechanism that is responsible for deploying the screen up and down. So I'm just gonna demonstrate. So you can see the screen comes out, but there's absolutely nothing showing up on the screen. So we're going to investigate this and find out what's going on and get it repaired. So yeah, let's get to it. Right, we've completed diagnosis and actually the repair on the system. So what the problem was, as I can show you here, I'm just going to look it up. The screen monitor electronics failed, so we had to replace the monitor. So we've just put the new one on there and it's fully working, so you can just see, imagine this being in the car. You can control the menus, features and settings here. So again, yes, we offer comprehensive repair with warranty. For more information, just get in touch with us. Links will be in the description. And again, this is Audi Q7 MMI screen that came to us with a full motorized system, which we diagnosed and repaired and now it has a new screen monitor and electronics in there, so that's all fully working as it should be again. Yeah, get in touch with us. Links in the description. Thank you very much. Till the next video. Bye bye.